In today's video, I am going to teach you how to make green fireworks in Minecraft 26.1.2. The green dye is what gives the firework its color, and the amount of gunpowder you use in the rocket will affect how long the firework flies before it explodes. Once you have everything ready, go to a crafting table and open it. The first part you need to make is the green firework star. This is the item that controls the explosion color. Place one gunpowder into the crafting grid, then add one green dye. When these two items are combined, you will get a green firework star. Move that firework star into your inventory so you can use it in the next recipe. Now you are ready to craft the firework rocket. In the crafting table, place one paper into the grid. Add 1, 2, or 3 gunpowder depending on how high you want the rocket to travel. 1 gunpowder creates a shorter flight duration, while 2 or 3 gunpowder will make the rocket fly longer. Then add the green firework star you just crafted. With those ingredients combined, the result will be a firework rocket that produces a green explosion. Take the firework rocket and place it into your inventory. To use it, equip the rocket and launch it in an open area. When it goes up and explodes, you will see a green firework effect in the sky. If you want to make more, just repeat the same process using more paper, gunpowder, and green dye. This method is useful when you want a specific firework color for celebrations, decorations, or custom displays in your world. The key step is making the firework star first, because that is what determines the explosion color. After that, the rocket recipe is simple and quick to repeat. You now know how to make a green firework rocket in Minecraft 26.1.2 using paper, gunpowder, and green dye. Follow the same process anytime you want to craft more fireworks with the same color effect, and that is all there is to it.